Welcome back to Shady Joe's Garage. Today we're going to work on our Blazer shifter. So we got our actuator down here. The cheat code for that is just put a zip tie on it. Keep it open at all time. That's not the answer that I wanted. So I am going a different direction. So I'm going to be using my battery here. This will be my 12 volt source. Alright, so to activate the solenoid, you need the black wire and then the green with black stripe. I'm sure you can see it. And then when you do that, you can pull it out of park. Without it, it's in and it won't work. Now if you just connect that to a brake switch and a ground, it's going to do that every time you hit the brake. Every time you hit the brake. For example, if you pull it out of park, let's say we get it out of park, and you're at a stoplight, it's still going to actuate, be annoying. So that's not the way I wanted to go. Now what I found, there's the pink and yellow wire here. Pink and yellow. Right now we're in reverse. No continuity. Neutral. Nothing. Park. We have continuity. So we're going to use the pink and yellow for continuity. That's going to be our cheat code. So we're going to take the pink wire, we're just going to put that right to the ground. Ground it out. And then the yellow wire, we're going to come off the yellow wire. We're going to go into a relay. So we're going to go to 87 and 30. So yellow, we're just going to plug that into 87 or 30, don't matter. There's going to be a lot of wires floating around, so I'm just going to start taping some up. Alright, wire 30. We're going to connect that to the ground, straight to the ground, to the actuator. So the black wire to the ground. Now, I forgot to mention that this black wire also goes to the light for the shifter. So you're going to have to come down here higher up in the wire harness and split it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ground for the light, and I'm just going to connect it straight to the pink because the pink is going to be grounded. So we're going to take okay, so we're going pink, when in park. It's going to come through the shifter, come out the yellow, into a relay, out the relay to the ground. Okay. Now I need to power my relay, so 85 or 87, nope, take it back, 85 or 86 is going to be grounded. So the ground for the relay, I only want it grounded. Okay. Alright, so pink to ground. Now the yellow wire, which is only actuated when we're in park, we want our, so we need two relays, two wires from the relay. The ground to the relay, and then the, I don't know, the other wire that's going to go through. So 87 and 86, we want both of those on the 86 side of the relay. So now we have, just break it down. Pink's going to ground, connected straight to ground. It comes out on yellow. Yellow's coming through for the trigger wire to activate the relay, and it's coming through as the wire that's going to connect to the ground on our actuator solenoid. Now, yellow wire is going to be to our ignition switch. So, ignition turns on, it's in park, it's going to actuate. It's not in park, the ground's not getting through it because we cut it out through the park switch. Alright. Now, to actuate our solenoid, this is going to go to our brake pedal, but it's not going to get signal unless we turn our ignition on. Pretty slick, right? So ignition on, brake pedal's pushed. As soon as you move it out of park, it goes dead. Relay's not switching, actuator's not switching. Go to park. You can hear them both clicking. There we go. That's how we're going to wire up our Blazer Jimmy shifter. Now there's also another thing you can add. You can add a starter interrupt, where you can have it to where it only gives signal to the starter while it's in park. Kind of using the same thing how we did here. We're just going to take the ground on the yellow side of the park switch to activate another relay. That'll start. The only thing is you'll only be able to start it in park. I'm probably going to add that on my truck, just because I would rather have that extra little bit, but I haven't decided. I'm not there yet. So here we are. So one thing I'd like you to notice is when you hit it, when you push the button, it deactivates the solenoid. So you'll watch it go down and you'll hear it click off. But it's still enough to get it out of park. Alright, there you have it. That's how we're using our shifter. And yeah, perfect. Alright guys, thank you for watching my little video here about how to use the Jimmy Blazer floor shifter. And stay tuned. We'll be working on the engine soon. I hope to be actually working on it tomorrow. But I want to get this video out real quick. Just give a quick tutorial on how to do the wiring. I'll put a schematic in here. Yeah, make sure you hit that like button, follow along, subscribe.